Welcome to our video on healthy meal prep for the week. In this video, I will show you how to prepare healthy meals for the entire week, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Meal prepping is a great way to save time and money while also ensuring that you are eating nutritious meals throughout the week. Before we get started, it's important to plan your meals for the week and make a grocery list. This will ensure that you have all the ingredients you need and can avoid unnecessary trips to the grocery store. Now, let's get started with meal prepping. Breakfast. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a great breakfast option that can be prepared in advance and customized to your taste preferences. Start by adding rolled oats, milk, yogurt, and your choice of toppings such as berries, nuts, or honey into a mason jar. Mix well and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and nutritious breakfast ready to go. Breakfast. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are a convenient and portable breakfast option that can be made in advance and easily reheated. Simply whisk together eggs, diced vegetables, cheese, and seasonings in a bowl. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Once cooled, store in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Lunch. Quinoa salad. Quinoa salad is a healthy and satisfying lunch option that can be made in advance and easily packed for work or school. Start by cooking quinoa according to package instructions. Once cooked, mix in diced vegetables, such as cucumber, tomato, and bell pepper, and a protein source, such as grilled chicken or tofu. Drizzle with a homemade vinaigrette and store in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Lunch. Mason jar salad. Mason jar salads are a fun and easy way to pack a healthy and colorful lunch. Start by adding your favorite salad dressing to the bottom of a mason jar. Then, layer your favorite salad ingredients, such as mixed greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and grilled chicken. Top with nuts or seeds for added crunch. When ready to eat, simply shake the jar and pour onto a plate. Dinner. Sheet pan chicken and vegetables. Sheet pan dinners are a quick and easy way to prepare a healthy and delicious dinner for the entire week. Start by seasoning chicken breasts with your favorite spices, such as garlic powder and paprika. Then, chop up a variety of vegetables, such as broccoli, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes. Arrange the chicken and vegetables on a baking sheet and roast in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Divide into individual meal containers and store in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Dinner. Slow cooker chili. Slow cooker chili is a hearty and comforting dinner option that can be prepared in advance and easily reheated throughout the week. Start by browning ground beef or turkey in a skillet. Then, add the cooked meat, diced tomatoes, beans, and seasonings to a slow cooker. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 4 to 6 hours. Serve with your favorite toppings, such as shredded cheese and sour cream. Thank you for watching this video on healthy meal prep for the week. By following these simple meal prep ideas, you can save time and money while also ensuring that you are eating nutritious meals throughout the week. Remember to plan your meals in advance and make a grocery list to ensure that you have all the ingredients you need. Happy meal prepping! Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Stay fit and healthy.